Welcome to the Hilton Garden Inn. Very nice. Big hotel. Well, that was nice. Diamond member reserved parking. Hello again. We saved this space for you. That was nice. Okay, so one of the cool things about this place, though, is how you open the door. So how'd you do this and how'd this go?
So you use the Hilton app, and you can actually, you can check in for your room ahead of time and get a digital key, as they call it, instead of a physical key. So when you show up to the hotel, you don't have to go to the front desk. You can just go to your room because it already tells you what room you are assigned to.
On the app.
On the app. And on the app, it shows you the room number you have, what floor, and there again, there's a room number. And when you get to the room, it turns green. So all you have to do is touch the unlock.
Oh, that's cool. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Isn't that fancy?
Yeah. But that's pretty much it. I like it. I use it all the time.
Do you?
Because I don't like to talk to people.
That's funny.
Yep.
So it's on the Hilton app.
Hilton app, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very cool. Very cool feature. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alrighty, we are staying here at the Hilton Garden Inn in Connecticut, just up the road. Hi, Lloyd.
Hello.
From the Foxwoods Casino. So I want to do a nice little room tour. Now, is this with points?
Yes.
Okay, so this is our room. We're greeted as soon as you walk in with a microwave, your refrigerator, and of course, you have your closet with your ironing board and even a safe. Very nice. So, let's see. Before we go into the bathroom, there's 2 queen beds. Very nice. A little TV. Ooh, that's a powerfully bright light. Gonna blind you.
That's a tanning lamp.
Yep. There wasn't much of a view. We're here at night, so it's just the parking lot out there, and that's it. But a little chaise lounge. Nothing too fancy smancy. Just a regular, typical room. Really pretty picture. Here's your controls for the room temp. And let's see what the bathroom looks like. There's the flashlight. Typical bathroom. It's got the curved shower curtain rod. Gives you a feeling you have more room. Again, they have the shampoo, the conditioner, and the shower gel on the wall. Pretty picture. Typical vanity. It's a basic room, but it's nice. It's free. You can't beat it. Can't beat it. It's pretty nice. So it's a nice big hotel. Like I said, it's just down the road from Foxwoods Casino. So we were just there watching Bob Marley. So that was really fun. So this is a typical room. This is really nice. And it's... Is it Prescott? Is it Prescott, Connecticut?
Yeah.
Prescott, Connecticut. I couldn't remember the town that we're in. But it's just down the road. It's like a stone's throw from the casino, from the Foxwood. Which is a really nice casino. They have like little pockets of casino, lots of little stores in there, and then a bunch of restaurants. So that was really cool. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. So if you ever come down this way, I do recommend staying here. This is Wanda, over and out. Chicken quesadillas. Chicken and cheese. That's it. Sour cream, some salsa. It's awesome. Down here at the Hilton Garden Inn. It's a little restaurant at the bar. We just wanted a little something, something. And they look really good. So things you don't notice. Update. That's what this is. And probably the future ones, things you don't notice update. So, of course, being here overnight, the bed was super hard for my back. I'm spoiled rotten at home, of course. I don't expect it to be like home, but oh my God, it was really like, I felt like Frankenstein's monster sleeping on a slab. It was bad. It was bad. And then the TV was really small for the room. It's kind of odd, but okay, not a big deal. One of my biggest issues was this thermostat. Here's a little tip. Learn which button is up or down before you go to bed, because I kept pushing this one, so I kept alternating between turning it off or heat or something, but it's like, I was dying this morning. It was way too hot, and then as soon as I figured it out in the middle of the night, oh, there's the air, okay. Then it was this Arctic blast of cold air. And it must have been a fan or something because it was super loud. And then that one cut off, but then the AC itself was real loud. The unit is just loud. I was like, man. Okay, that was that. And then the bathroom. What you didn't notice before is how low that toilet is. Granted, I'm only 5'2", so I can appreciate a lower set toilet, but oh my God, I felt like a little kid in this one. It's super low. As you can see, it's as low as the tub. And yeah, that was bad. I was like, oh my God. And I felt like I was just a little kid sitting on it. One thing that was nice I didn't notice before, they actually have a bottle, just like they do the shampoo and conditioner and the shower gel. They have one for body lotion now. That's really cool. And a little extra nice little thing that was here is makeup remover wipes. See, makeup remover wipes. That was really cute. Looks like there's 2 of them there. And so that was really nice. Let's see, there's something behind them. And then face soap. Face soap is behind it there. There you go. So that was a kind of a nice thing. But yeah, man, we didn't get to try the microwave or the fridge. Probably should have with the fridge, I guess, because we had water. But yeah, if I was going to ding this place, I would ding it on that. It is a small room. Not bad for free. I mean, I can't complain with that. So that was nice about it. So, Lloyd, do you have any comments of staying at a Hilton Garden Inn?
No, I've stayed at many of Hilton Garden Inns before. Like I said, I was telling you earlier, I'd say out of a scale from 1 to 10, the lobby and the restaurant and all that was pretty good. The room, it's got 2 beds in it, so it takes up a lot of room. Mm-hmm. But for me, I stay at like 4 to 5 hotel nights a week. So I'd say probably about a 6 out of 10 for the room. It could use a little upgrading.
Yeah, definitely. I'd agree. But yep. So goodbye, Hilton Garden Inn. Get a better bed. So this is the lobby. Isn't it pretty? It's got a little piano. Looks like it's even set up for people to play. That's really nice. And pretty, even a little TV. And there's your front desk. Very nice. Business center. Thank you. And then most hotels seem like they have a little snack center, see, where you can get snacks and stuff, make a coffee. Of course, you have to pay for all that. That's not complimentary, but that's kind of nice. Stuff if you forget things. Very nice. And what I noticed that they have like little lemon water. I had some last night. It was okay. It wasn't that great. And then this is where we ate last night. And that's kind of like their menu. And then their cocktails and wine. And they had kitchen specials, so that's what we had, was the chicken quesadillas. Ooh, they had pumpkin ice cake. I didn't see that. That would have been good. And that's the bar area. Even have a nice big patio area. Very cool. Morning! And that's where we sat over there. But nice and big and roomy. Very nice. Very nice. Ooh. Very nice. And there you go. Okay, go ahead.
I've stayed at a lot of Hilton Garden Inns before. This one, it's a different shape, different design than normal. I'm kind of thinking it used to be a different hotel than originally it was not a Hilton Garden Inn.